How is Hadoop evolving? I mean, are the use cases that you're seeing now different than the initial use cases?
Yeah, Hadoop's really changing, and it's really broadening the set of use cases. So its roots are really in, batch predictive analytics, and provides tremendous value. Really revolutionized search, revolutionized social networking. We're seeing that roll across all the major verticals, and including federal government as well. But really what you're seeing with Hadoop is a platform that's growing to do everything from batch analytics to real-time interactive query support, and even moving into a little bit of lightweight OLTP processing. So what you're really seeing with the growth of the use of Hadoop is a broad range of use cases, and it's becoming really a multi-purpose platform. If you're going to make an investment in putting up hundreds of thousands of servers, training your personnel to how to write the applications, how to run these applications reliably in production, you really need it to support a broad range of use cases so you can get the most value out of that investment.
What applications do you anticipate it's going to influence over the next few years?
I can tell you a couple that are on the really leading edge. Is we're working with a telco provider right now that's building actually an online billing app on HBase. Okay. So if you look at that's a drastic difference in the predictive analytics that we normally see in mainstream Hadoop. Okay. And they're really doing it because of the change in their industry. If you look at 15, 20 years ago, you maybe had one phone number. And now you've got multiple phone numbers, you've got data plans, and those create a tremendous number of transactions for a telco to process. And so HBase provides a much more scalable platform that's also more cost efficient to run that type of an application. So that's really on the leading edge. Similarly to that, we're working with a shipping company on a logistics application. And so it's doing kind of lightweight OLTP type processing around package tracking. So those are probably different use cases than you would have heard if you were at the show this year.
Sure. Is Hadoop getting easier, or are people just getting more adept at using it?
Yeah, I'd say it's a little of both. I saw you had Ben Werther here from Platfora, so certainly what Platfora is doing, what Drawn to Scale is doing, a number of different projects had apt. They've made it easier to build those types of applications. And then the Apache community, there's the Apache Drill project that is also building a more SQL-based real-time query application API to the Hadoop platform. And I think the platform is maturing and getting easier. And then I do think a lot of it is we're just getting more trained people out there that know how to build and run these applications in production.
Last question for you. Is Hadoop at a place now where if you're going to be working with big data, you're going to be working with Hadoop? I mean, has it reached a point where it's entrenched?
Yeah, I think Hadoop really is now the safe choice for big data. If you look at when I first started working in the big data arena in 2008, there were a lot of different competing technologies out there. I think Hadoop's really kind of the safe choice at this point. If you're a CIO or a CTO and you're trying to choose a platform and you look at where you're going to really be on a technology ride, where you're going to have the broadest range of technologies and services to choose from, where you're going to be able to attract talent that knows how to run Hadoop, or even attract talent that wants to learn Hadoop and put it on their resume, Hadoop is really the safe bet.
All right. Well, thanks so much for being with us. Appreciate you taking the time.
All right. Appreciate it. Thanks.